Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I'm on a quest to invest. Today's video is all about Workhorse, WKHS Stock. We're going to be talking about the earnings report, of course, some upcoming catalysts, the new CEO, and also price predictions. Everybody loves price predictions. Our favorite electric truck startup has just released their second quarter earnings. And, some people are concerned. Let's just put it like that. There's definitely, if you ask me, I think there's a lot of negative spinning. It's kind of one of those earnings reports that maybe on the surface looks kind of bad. But if you just think about it a little bit more, I'm not saying you have to reach and be unrealistic and just turn a blind eye. But look, we'll get into it. Let's just talk about the price action that's been going on over the summer. We had June, stupendous rally in June. And then July, the shares definitely fell. WKHS stock plummeted 30.4% in July. That's according to data provided by S&P Global Marketplace Intelligence. And just the previous month, Workhorse shares had gained a stunning 77% after a brief stint as a meme stock. It was Workhorse's turn to be a meme stock, and also the company's move to challenge the U.S. Postal Service's decision to award a $6 billion 10-year truck contract to Oshkosh. But it didn't last long. Like I say, plummeted in July, and then we had the second quarter earnings reports, and the stock is already down 14.6% in August as of the time of recording this. So the numbers come in and the company reported revenue worth only $1.2 million versus consensus estimates of nearly $6.4 million and incurred a net loss of 0.35 cents per share compared with a loss of $1.76 a share in the year ago quarter. Analysts expected a net loss of 0.29 a share. They also revealed that Workhorse will revise the design of its C1000 vehicles based on customer feedback, which means production will be limited for now. That's definitely not something investors in an up-and-coming company from the red-hot EV industry want to hear right now. Yeah, it is a bit concerning. But sales rose to $1.20 million from $91,942 a year ago, while the average estimate of the 6 analysts surveyed by FactSheet was $5.4 million. Workhorse said that the increase in revenue comes after deliveries increased to 14 trucks during the second quarter from 1 year ago. And to quote Rick Dauk, the chief executive, what is clear from the initial customer feedback is that we need to further increase the payload capacity for our vehicles. While we revise the design of the vehicle, we believe we can continue with a limited level of production for customers where our current payload is adequate or those who want to road test one of the few, if not only vehicles in our market that are available to them now. They also have 8,000 confirmed order backlog and 133 trucks built. This will add $10 million to this current quarter revenues when delivered, and they will be ramping up more, say approximately 200 trucks this quarter, and if half are delivered, then that's another $8 million. Revenue will definitely start to jump significantly from here. Patience, it's definitely happening. Shorts are definitely trying to spin a good earnings report into something negative. Production is way up. Order book is very strong. Plenty of cash with the addition of the Ride stock sale. Profitability is now in sight. The stock should be $40 by the end of the year without any USPS contract. That's another thing. A positive catalyst upcoming would be winning the USPS contract, which we all know is and should belong to Workhorse. Workhorse has 3 FAA staff assigned to work with them on their drone delivery system. This is great news. Workhorse has, like I say, 8,000 confirmed orders and approximately 100 trucks, which they will sell to niche users over the next few months. WKHS will record the $79 million in their third quarter for the sale of 70% of ride instead of a paper write-off. And the new CEO, he has a high energy level. He's very hands-on, very proactive. And I think he'll come out with very positive news in the near future. He has definitely laid out a very organized plan to help Workhorse grow. And I'm very confident about the company's future. They've got a clear future strategy, ramp up production, there's going to be significant profit, and then there's going to be the short squeeze. Price will rise significantly from this level. I think it's a strong buy and hold. So yeah, I don't think I really properly said it, but Workhorse appointed Richard F. Dausch as Chief Executive Officer, and he succeeds Duan Hughes, who has served as CEO from February 2019 to August 1st, 2021, and who previously served as Chief Operating Officer from August 2016 to January 2019. Hughes will continue to serve as a consultant through the transition period. So yeah, Dausch, he previously served as the CEO of Delphi Technologies, where he successfully completed the spin-off from Aptiv and then executed a merger with Borg Warner in October 2020. From February 2011 to January 2019, he served as the president and CEO of Accuride Corporation, which is a leading supplier of wheel end systems to the global commercial vehicle industry. Prior to that, Dausch was president and CEO of Occupant Global Technologies, which is a aerospace, automotive, heavy-duty truck company. So yeah, he has a lot of experience, is what I'm trying to say. He's definitely the right man for the job. So yeah, it depends which part of the earnings report you really want to focus on. If you read the articles, in the mainstream finance world, yeah, they're gonna really focus and on the negatives and spin them to kind of make it out like overall the earnings report is bad and Workhorse is doomed. But I want to know what you guys think. Did it, make you regret buying Workhorse? Did you sell after the earnings report? Where's your head at? Let me know. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all just my opinion. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for listening.